Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my previous video I have told you that I will create a video of the all questions that are available over the internet and that has the similar type of question which is also available in Algo Expert site. So I will create a video of all those questions, and what I'll do, I will create a playlist and all the different topic like array, linked list and other topic, and upload videos like easy to medium level first. Then I will upload the difficulty level question, like very hard difficulty level question to that playlist. Solved. So today I will today I will solve the two sum problem that is the one problem that was also available in Algo Expert site. So problem basically state that you will be given an array of integers, and you will also given a target value, and you need to find out either there exist two element whose sum is equal to the target, and you need to return of that indices of the two element. So in that case here is the 2 and 7 is 9, so you need to return the index of the both two element, which is 0 and 1. So this is the answer. So this problem has the has couple of similar version, like if whether sometimes you need to just return whether like you need to return true or false. That is basically if there exists two element whose sum is equal to the target, then you need to return true, otherwise you need to return false. And before going move into the solution, like if this problem come in the question, you can ask the interviewer one thing as well, like whether the input array is sorted or not. If the input array is sorted, then how can you solve this problem very quickly? So you can ask this interviewer like whether array is sorted or not. If the interviewer said it is input element is sorted, then you can do you can use two pointer and solve this problem very easily. Like let's say so here let's say target sum is 15. Okay, so now as the element is already sorted, so you can what you can do, you can take two pointer. The first pointer will point to the first element, and the another pointer, let's say j, will point to the last element of the array, and you will sum those. So what is the sum? 2 and 15 is 17. So you can say that 17 is greater than target. So that's mean we are exceeded the target value. So that's mean we are adding more value to the to our sum. That's why it is exceeded the target value. So we need to decrease the highest pointer value, like highest value pointer. So in that case we will decrease the j. So here the now j will point to 11. Now we again calculate the sum, so it is become 13. Okay, so now you can say the target value is less than like sum value is less than target. So what that does mean, that does that it does mean that we are adding less value to our sum, so that it becomes the less than equal to target, less than target. So that's mean we need to increase the our lowest pointer value, so that we get the highest value of sum. So we again will increase the, in that case we will increase the ith value. So in that case I will now point to the 4. Now we will do again sum, which is 4 and 11 is 15. Now we can see the target value is equal to our sum value is equal to our target. So in that case we just simply return the either index of the two element, which is basically I or j, or if the interface said you just need to return true or false, you can then return 2 here, or otherwise while the like I overcome j, like by doing this operation where I become j, in that case we are pointing to one element, we cannot do other other operation. So in that case we'll break the while loop and simply return false. So yeah, this is the one kind of variation of this problem. Now moving back to our main problem, that is basically you need to return the indexes of two number whose sum is equal to the target. Let's take another example. Let's say we have a one example like 2 3 5 11 7 9 15, and we need to, and our target value is, let's say 14. Okay, so now can we, like sometime it say there would be exact solution. I'm just then in case I just altering the my input so that it will be giving one input. So let's become 8. Okay, now how can we solve this problem? Okay, so let's our target sum is 14. So if we take 2 as a 2 as the one element of that two numbers, so in that case what is the remaining sum available? So in that case the remaining sum is 4 minus 2, which is 2. So in that case 14 minus 2 is 12. So in that case you can see that that 12 is not present in our whole array. So it is saying that 2 could not be one of the number. Moving back to the 3. So if I take 3 is our one of the two number, so what will be the remaining sum? Remaining sum we will just simply, like, we have a plus b is 14, like, and we are taking a as a first element. What is the b is 14 minus nothing but a. So we are doing the same basically. So 14 minus 3 is 11. So it's basically one 11 is 3 and another 11 11, but we need to store the index of the every element. Like we need to store the when we are found the one element is 3 but another element is 11, but we need to store the what is the index of the 11. So that we need to store beforehand. So but how can we store the element of, like, index of the element? So what data structure can we use in that case? So in that case we will simply use a hasmap to store the index of the every element. So we will create a hasmap? At first, at the beginning, the hasmap is empty, and we will start iterating every element one by one. So at first, we will go to 2, and we can see that what is the remaining sum? Remaining sum is 14 minus 2, which is 12, but that is not present in our hasmap. You can see. So in that case, we will simply store that number and it is index, which is 0. Now moving to the next element, which is 3, and what is the remaining sum? Remaining sum is 11. But you can see the 11 is not present in our hasmap as of now. So what I will do, I will again create store the number 3 and it is index is 1. Now we can move to the next element, which is 5. So what is the remaining sum? 14 minus 5 is, which is 9. But 9 is also not available present in our hasmap. So again we will put the number 5 and which is index, which is 2. Now again we move to the next element, which is 11. Now what is the remaining sum? Remaining sum is 14 minus 11, which is 3. Now we can see that 3 is already present in our hasmap. So we can here you can say that one element could be 11 and another element which is 3 basically, and you need to find out the index. So currently as we are iterating over the array, so we have the index of the 11. So which is we can have that index, let's say I, and we can find the index of the number 3. We can get it from the hasmap, which is basically this index. So it is basically 1. So our here I basically should be 0 1 2 3. So 3 and 1. So this is our answer. So this way you can solve this problem. and what is the time complexity and phase complexity of this question answer. So here the time complexity should be order of n, as we are iterating over the element one time, and also phase complexity should be also order of n, because we are using one hasmap to store the every element index. So yeah, that's all. Hope you are understood the solution. Please do subscribe my channel. Also like it. Thank you.